If you could see now, the one who said that's every other woman. The one who said rather be alone. If you could only see now, I can hold you now. Just for a moment, if I could really make you mine. Just for a while, to let me hand so blind. If I could only hold you now. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain. Make me any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my dreams, lying in your loving arms again. You will hear me now, singing somewhere through the lonely night, dreaming of the arms that held me tight. Think you would only hear me now. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain.